Hello guys, I am Faik from PhoneYear. Today I have the Samsung Galaxy A30s with me. The unboxing, first impression and battery test you have already seen on our channel. If you haven't seen the videos, the links are in description. But today in this video I will share the camera result of Galaxy A30s with you guys. But before we start, if you are new, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest videos notifications. The Samsung Galaxy A30s has the triple camera on the back side, in which you get 25MP wide lens, 8MP ultra wide lens and 5MP depth sensor for the bokeh effects in the picture, and a 16MP lens on the front for the selfies. The camera app is same like the other Samsung phones, in which you get photo, ultra wide, scene optimizer, live focus, video and much more. If you are thinking where is HDR mode, you will find this in the setting area, from where you can turn on or off HDR. In auto mode, Samsung Galaxy A30s captures good details and try to capture the original colors, and you can differentiate between the background and the subject. In this picture there are multiple colors as you can see, and the Galaxy A30s camera captured the image with good details and colors. It does not try to oversaturate it, and with HDR turned on it brightens the dark areas in the picture, which you can see in this comparison picture with the auto mode. The scene optimizer is here, which basically pop-ups the color in the picture, has the vivid colors too in Huawei phones. This picture is taken with scene optimizer option, but if you compare it with auto mode picture, you can see the clear difference between the both pictures. Taking picture against the light is a difficult task for the mobile's camera, and the same is the problem with the Galaxy A30s. The picture was taken at a time of sunset where phone fails to capture the background details and they are completely washed out, and that exposure level is also increased. Due to all this reason, you cannot see the sky color and the sun. Then we tried the HDR mode and the results are completely different in the same scenario. Here you can see the sun and the different colors in the sky, and the exposure level is also balanced in this picture. If I compare this picture with the auto mode, then here you can see the difference between the colors and details of both pictures. There is an 8MP lens for the ultra-wide pictures in Galaxy A30s. The ultra-wide lens can capture more area, but the details in pictures are not very good, and the colors in the picture also change as compared to auto mode pic, and you will get the darker image. In Samsung Galaxy A30s, you get 4x digital zoom. Basically it's not a zoom, the phone crops the image with the help of its software. At 4x it struggles to focus on the subject. For the bokeh effect, there is a 5MP depth sensor on the back side of Galaxy A30s. This picture is taken with live focus mode. Overall the picture is sharp and details are good, but the blurred line in the picture is not perfect. It leaves the some areas like this, and it also blurs the some areas of the subject. For the selfies, Galaxy A30s has 16MP lens on the front. Selfies in standard mode looks good. You can see the facial details that the phone captured, and they are not washed out. It also tries to capture my hairs, but selfies with live focus is not good. First, I don't like the background blur, and it also blurs the shoulder. Then you can see the two tones of colors on my face. The upper part has more bluish tone and lower part has more reddish. But the front camera also struggles to capture the image against the light. Now if I talk about the night photography of the Samsung Galaxy A30s, in auto mode at night it gathers a lot of noise, as you can see in this picture. It fails to focus on the subject, and you can see some details where is light in the picture, but in the dark area you can't see any details. With ultra-wide lens, all details are lost, which you can see in the previous picture, and the picture is also darker but noise level is lesser. Here is a comparison of this picture with the previous one. At 4x, you get more noise in the picture with no details. Noise level is also high in the selfies. At night, it also merges my hairs with the background. So guys, this is Samsung Galaxy A30s camera review. Some things are good in phone like HDR mode, performance against the light, where it helps to take the good image, and live focus with some minor blurred lines issue. The night photography is not good, and the live focus in selfies which change the color tone in the picture is also not good. So this is our review about the Galaxy A30s camera performance. Now you guys tell me about your opinions regarding the camera of Galaxy A30s in the comment section. Like and share this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.